Nobody ever take my reign. Take my reign. I hope nobody ever take my reign. Take my reign. I hope nobody ever take my reign. Take my reign. It gets heavy, the cross that I carry. I take another step, although the last one was painful. It ain't easy to top a hill. The closer you get to me, some read me like I'm writing in cursive. I smoke the scene like I'm knocking down bowling pins. I'm showing love or care even to demons. If I can't bring one back, unfade my living. Put my pressure on my cross and go hard like Charmaine Hope. Rep my ground, rep my city with royalties. Keeping our bread up if we do it like we all go hard, our whole community. Too many names to LIST. The ones who see the better in me. What up, Corey? What up, Bryce G? This ain't roll call. I'ma keep it cool, dog. I'm gonna do it like I don't know nobody else. Nobody ever take my reign. Take my reign. Nobody ever take my reign. Take my reign. Nobody ever take my reign. I won't do it like I'm perfect because I'm not. Yeah, alright. Don't try to give me your time, and you scared of your time. I don't cooperate. Not one time, unless it's TYME to you. My eternity, Lord, don't fraud. Post up and go hard. Go hit P, go hard in the paint. I commit sin, I drink tequila and gin. I spaz out or I just slide in. My YouTube tripping, I'm trying to upload. Break the back off a sack and money fall out. OG stack a dollar to me was Rico Cade. That was right before my fat tone days. Wake them up if they sleep and stack it up to the ceiling. I'll pass the ball before I double dribble it. Shout out to Mello, gotcha. It ain't how you start, it's how you finish. Million or more records with mine. Shout out to Mello, gotcha. In that bar. Take my reign. I hope nobody ever take my reign. Nobody ever take my reign. No, not this.